Hi, this is Alec Pacella. I'm at our headquarters in Medina, here with Jeff Beals, good friend, great sales trainer. NAI, NP Dodge is where he kind of sits during his regular day job. But he's here today visiting us, helping us through role playing. So everyone kind of hates role playing. It's everyone kind of hates it and it doesn't really, take it seriously and think, rolling their eyes, why do I have to do this? So Jeff, tell us, what do you think about role playing? What are your thoughts on it at value, especially for what we do in the real estate brokerage world?
Yeah, well, first of all, the reason why sometimes people dread it is because it makes them feel uncomfortable. And so the first thing that they have to do is realize it's okay to be uncomfortable. And then you look at what the benefits are. It allows you to practice sales skills that are useful in real life in an environment where it's safe to screw up. You can experiment things, you can test things out. And the other thing with role playing that a lot of people don't realize is it actually brings the team of brokers together. It's something you're doing together. They'll give you something to kind of laugh about, and some fun stories will come out of it.
Yeah, just to prove his point, I'm going to kind of pan around. There they are. See, there's no wailing, there's no gnashing of teeth. They're having fun, they're laughing, and hopefully, ultimately, they're better equipping themselves to be a more successful salesperson, because that's what it's all about.
And I would say the attitude of everyone here is really good. We first started out talking about what the best practices are of role playing. You and I even gave them a couple sample role plays. But no one here is rolling the eyes. Everyone seems to be kind of having fun with it, and I think they realize that they'll learn a thing or two.
Absolutely. All right. So Jeff, tell us a little bit about yourself, what you do, and how people can find you.
Yeah, I do sales training worldwide, anything from prospecting to closing deals. Also work with leaders as well. You can find me at jeffbeals.com, JEFFBEALS, jeffbeals.com.
All right. So now you've seen what I see at PVC. Hope you have a wonderful rest of the week. Great weekend ahead. Thanks.